Transform words into captivating visuals with our AI story animation tutorial.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Get ready to unleash your creativity because today I have something truly amazing to share with you. Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning moving animation story video. Before starting this tutorial, give me 5 seconds to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Part 1. Generating the story of the video. For creating a story animation video, we need to have our story. For this we use ChatGPT. So click on the description link to go ChatGPT website. Here enter your story prompts. I will enter this: write a short story of a boy and lion in the jungle, and click here to generate. Okay, our story has been generated. Part 2. Generating the story voice. For generating voice, we use Elevenlabs.io. To open the Elevenlabs website by clicking on the description link. Click here to sign up for your account. Okay, now we have Elevenlabs dashboard. Here you will see the voice setting. Click here to choose your voice. I will choose this.
I have often regretted my
These two settings you can skip. Now, here you need to enter your story. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your story. I will copy only the first paragraph and paste it here. After this, click on Generate button. After done processing, click here to download it. Part 3. Generating images for our video. For this we use Leonardo AI. Click on the description link to go Leonardo website. Click here to sign up for your account. Now, we have logged in. Click AI image generation. Here you need to enter your image prompts. First, we generate a background jungle image. For this we use this prompt. Here you need to choose your image size. Now click on Generate button. You can see Leonardo generating your images. Click here to download your images. Now, generate your character. For this, we use this prompt. Now, download your liked character. For generating a lion image, enter this prompt: a small cartoon lion. Part 4. Generate animation for our character. Before creating animation you need to remove your character image background and make it white. For this go remove.bg website by clicking on the description link. Click on the Upload Image button and upload your image. You can see the background has been removed. Now click on the Edit button and choose Color and make it white. Now click on the Download button. And also remove your lion image background. Alright, our character image is ready for creating animation. Click on the description link to go to the animated drawing website. Click on the Get Started button to continue. Here you need to upload your image or drawing. Click the Upload button and choose your file. OK, click on the Next button. Here you will need to select your character's area and click Next. The AI will automatically create a mask on your character. If the mask does not cover all of your image areas, you can manually add or remove selections using the pencil and eraser buttons. After doing that, click Next. Here you will need to set the joints for your character by clicking and dragging them. Click Next when you are done setting the joints. Here choose an animation from the impressive list available. Choose the best animation for your character, such as dance movements, funny movements, jumping, or walking. When everything is set, click that zoom button and choose download to save your animation video. Final part. Make story animation video. Open your video editor software. I will use CapCut. Click the import button and import your all file. Now add your background image. Now add your character and lion. Now match your all track with the same timeline. Now select character video and click cutout and click auto cutout. After complete editing, click export your video. Let's see how to look at this animation video.
I have often regretted my speech, never my silence.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me. I can't wait to see you in the next thrilling AI tutorial video. Until then, take care, stay inspired, and keep creating. Bye bye.